So on this video, right, I'm going to show you, do you know that whenever you are recording there is the pointer, okay, I mean the white dot circle, and do you know that you can change your white dot circle, okay, you can change into black, green, yellow, red, you can change size also, you can make it large also, you can set it into medium also, you can make it too small also. So how you can set it, right? So friends, before we do this, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, let's start the video. So here, just move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. See, I select the yellow color and there is the yellow. After that, here you have to click on accessibility. When you click on accessibility, here you can see the option of the visibility enhancement. So here you have to click on visibility enhancement. When you click on it, here you can see on the down there is many options, but here you have to click on this last third option, is the pointer size on the color. It means you can change your pointer size, even the color also. Just click on it. When you click on it, from here you can scroll on the up the scale, then here you can see your pointer size will be large, okay, and I don't like this, okay. If you want, then you can set it, and you can change the color also. See, you can select the color if you want to select, okay. You can select the black, you can select the blue, you can select the red, you can select the yellow. So this is how you can change your size and the color on your Samsung phone, the pointer size and the color, okay. Whenever you are recording or you want to change, then you can change easily like this, okay. Sorry, I forgot to make smaller this pointer size. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.